Hello everyone, welcoming into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to use Picsart to enhance your photo. So the first thing we have to do is just go open the Picsart application, and you just need to wait until the Picsart is perfectly open. And the next thing you need to do, you just need to go click this plus button and just pick the picture that you want to edit. You can just slide it here, or you can just go click this see all. And then you just need to go slide it and find the picture that you want to edit. Let's say here I would like to edit this picture. The next thing you need to do, if you want to do a quick edit, I will suggest you to use effect right away. But then if you want to adjusting this picture with your own style, you can just go click this tools and go click this adjust. And here you can start adjusting the color grade of the picture that you have. You can increasing the light or decreasing the light of the picture. You can also adjusting the contrast. If you want to make it more contrast, just drag it into the right side. The next thing is the clarity. If you want to make the picture more clear, you just need to go slide this side into the right side into the specific level that you want to have it here. And the saturation here is about how the way you want to deliver the picture. There will be two options, into the warm or cool. So slide into the right side to make it more warm, and left side to make it more cool. So here I want to slide it into the right side. You can also add the shadow here. If you want to create a shadow, you just need to drag the point here into the left side, and you'll see the difference. Here you'll see the black side is start to be like more intense, but then if you drag it here, the shadow is start to be disappear. So I would like to have a brief black color here so that the picture look more clean. And then I will like steadily slide it into the left side again until I found this temperature. And now we just need to slide to make it warm into the right side. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click apply. And here is the result. How the way to check before and after, you just need to go click and hold. Here is the picture before I edited, and here is the picture after I edited with the Picsart. And right after that, you just need to download by go click this one, and you're done. You already enhance your picture easily with the Picsart application. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll wait to see you for the next tutorial.